In today's video, I am going to teach you how to customize Google Chrome tab colors without an extension. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully loaded so you can access the customization options without any delay. This method works directly inside Chrome, so you do not need to install anything extra or use any third-party tools. That makes it a simple and clean way to change the look of your browser. Once Chrome is open, go to the Customize Chrome area. You can usually find this from the New Tab page, where Chrome gives you options to personalize the appearance of the browser. This is where you can adjust visual settings, including colors and themes, to make your tabs and overall browser window look the way you want. When you open the customization panel, look for the section related to color and theme settings. This is where Chrome lets you choose from different preset color combinations. As you click through the available options, you will see the browser update in real time. That preview is helpful because it lets you instantly see how the tab area, toolbar, and browser frame will appear before you settle on a final choice. Take a moment to choose a color style that is easy on your eyes and fits the look you prefer. If you use Chrome for long periods, softer tones can feel more comfortable. If you want a more vibrant appearance, brighter color themes can help your browser stand out. The main advantage here is that Chrome includes these tools by default, so you can customize the tab colors quickly without adding extensions that may slow down your browser or create extra clutter. After selecting the color theme you want, apply it if needed and return to your regular browsing view. Your updated tab colors should now be visible across the top of the browser. If you ever want to change them again, you can return to the same customization area and pick a different style at any time. This is a fast and beginner-friendly way to personalize Chrome and make your browser feel a bit more tailored to your preferences. It only takes a moment, and because it is built into Chrome, it is also one of the easiest methods to use. That covers everything you need to know.